Hi, welcome to the yoga flow for stress relief. This is a very slow and simple mindful flow. Sit in a cross-legged position. Inhale, raise the arms up and twist your spine to the left, keeping your right hand on the left knee and twisting back, and then repeating it on the other side. Keep on breathing in and out from your belly. When you inhale, you raise your arms up. And when you exhale, you twist your spine, take your hands back and sidewards. Keep on breathing in and out and moving the body as per the breath. Feel that gentle twist in your spine as you take your arms up and as you twist your spine to the right side and then to the left side. Now bring the soles of your feet together, interlace your fingers around your toes and see if you could flap your legs up and down. And then gently rock your body forward, extending the spine from the sides of your waist. And then gently come back up and come in a downward facing dog first. And softly relax your knees on the mat, come in your child's pose. Again, tuck your toes under and lift your lower body up. Come to your downward facing dog. Inhale, move your body forward and dropping the pelvis down, upward facing dog. Tuck your toes under, lift your bottoms up, downward facing dog. Keep on moving your body forward and backward. When you're moving forward, you're dropping your thighs, your legs down. When you're moving backward, you're trying to lift the tailbone up higher and higher. And then gently drop your knees down in a tabletop position. Arch your spine, open the chest, and exhale, round your back, relax your head. When you inhale, extend your hands in front, and when you exhale, drop your bottoms down. One more time, inhale, move the body forward, Bhujangasana, and then Balasana. Inhale, moving the body forward, Cobra, pressing your legs, your thighs, and your metatarsans on the mat. Exhale, moving back in your child's pose, keeping your big toes together. Inhale forward, looking front. Exhale, moving your bottoms back, extending the spine. And then from here, extend your hands in front. Come to your puppy pose. Work on really pressing your thighs, activating your thighs. Inhale, lift the bottoms up, come into your downward facing dog. Stay here for 3 deep breaths. Breathing in and out from your belly. Keep on extending your spine, rolling your shoulders out, relaxing your head. No tension around your neck and your shoulders. Inhale, lift the right leg up and step your right foot forward. Left knee comes down, look front. Keep on moving your shoulders backward, creating more space in the frontal part of your body. Stay here. And now tuck your back toe under, come to your downward facing dog. Keep on extending your tailbone up higher and higher, and then lift your left leg up, step your left foot forward in between your palms, come in a low lunge. Looking front, activating your frontal thigh, making sure that your frontal knee is in line with your frontal ankle. Again, come to your downward facing dog, lift your bottoms up. This time, bring your right foot forward, bending from your knee and bringing the right heel closer to your perineal muscles, keeping your hands extended initially and keeping your hands and your palms in cup shape beside your knees. Now bend your elbows and drop your forehead on your forearms. Keep on breathing in and out from your belly. And then from here, when you inhale next, press your palms on the mat, tuck your back toe under, take your right leg back and up and down. Come in your downward facing dog. Inhale, move your body forward. Exhale, drop your body down, chaturanga. Inhale, up, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Repeating that on the other side, bringing your left knee forward, bending from the knee, bringing your left heel closer to your perineal muscles, extending the hands at first, palms in cup shape. Work on extending your spine, arching your spine, especially from your upper back. When you exhale, bend your elbows and drop your forehead on the mat. So make sure that you're maintaining that same extension of the spine, and you're working on pressing your right thigh on the mat, creating a harmony between the right leg and left leg. When you inhale, lift your left leg back and up. Come in your downward facing dog, moving the body forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And then softly move your bottoms back and down. Come in your child's pose and relax.